From a sharp legal mind to a media powerhouse, Ari Melber isn't just a lawyer and journalist. He's built an empire. With a net worth of $4 million, a stunning Brooklyn residence, and a career that commands millions of views, how did he rise to the top? And what does his success reveal about his journey? Before we dive into video, please subscribe our channel and tell us in comments where you're watching from. Ari Melber's journey to success didn't happen overnight. He was born on March 31, 1980, in Seattle, Washington, into a family deeply rooted in Jewish heritage. His grandparents were Holocaust survivors, and their stories of resilience shaped his strong belief in justice and democracy. From an early age, Melber showed a keen interest in law and politics. He attended Garfield High School, where he stood out for his sharp intellect and curiosity about the world. After high school, he pursued a degree in political science at the University of Michigan, graduating in 2002. Determined to make an impact, Melber moved to Washington, D.C., where he jumped straight into the world of politics. He worked with Senator Maria Cantwell, gaining first-hand experience in how government functions. But his real breakthrough came when he joined John Kerry's 2004 presidential campaign as a deputy political director. Though the campaign ended in defeat, it gave him deep insights into national politics and the power of media in shaping public opinion. Realizing that law and policy go hand in hand, he enrolled in Cornell Law School, where he honed his legal expertise, setting the stage for his future as a trusted legal and political analyst. Ari Melber's career took a major turn when he blended his legal knowledge with journalism. After graduating from Cornell Law School, he worked at the prestigious Cahill, Gordon and Reindel law firm, where he specialized in First Amendment law under the mentorship of Floyd Abrams, a well-known expert in media law. But while practicing law, Melber discovered a passion for explaining complex legal issues in a way that everyone could understand. He started writing for major publications like The Nation, The Atlantic, Politico, and Reuters, where his ability to break down legal matters in simple, engaging terms caught the attention of media executives. This exposure led him to MSNBC in 2013, where he became a legal analyst and later the chief legal correspondent. His sharp analysis and clear explanations made him a go-to expert for political and legal commentary. He frequently appeared on The Rachel Maddow Show and other MSNBC programs, proving himself as a trusted voice in national affairs. His breakthrough moment came in 2017 when he was the first journalist to report on a possible obstruction of justice case against Donald Trump. Just 9 days later, the investigation was officially launched, solidifying Melber's reputation as a top legal analyst. In 2017, Ari Melber made his biggest career leap when he launched The Beat with Ari Melber on MSNBC. Unlike traditional political shows, The Beat brought a fresh approach, mixing sharp legal analysis with cultural relevance, making complex issues easy to understand. His ability to connect politics with real-life examples and even hip-hop lyrics made him stand out. The show quickly gained traction, and within months, it became one of MSNBC's most watched programs. By 2021, The Beat had achieved a historic milestone, becoming the longest-running show in MSNBC's 6 p.m. time slot. What made it unique was Melber's ability to simplify high-stakes legal battles, break major political stories, and conduct bold interviews, all while keeping the audience hooked. His interviews with high-profile figures like Kamala Harris, Eric Holder, and Trump's legal team made headlines, and his sharp questioning style earned him both respect and an Emmy Award nomination. By 2025, The Beat had crossed 1.5 billion YouTube views, proving its massive influence beyond television. Melber had successfully transformed political journalism, making it more engaging, digestible, and culturally relevant, a formula that continues to keep millions of viewers coming back. Ari Melber's success isn't just visible on television. It's reflected in his luxurious $1.5 million apartment in Prospect Heights, Brooklyn. Located in one of New York City's most vibrant neighborhoods, his home is a perfect mix of modern elegance and historic charm. Just a short distance from Manhattan, it offers the ideal balance between fast-paced city life and a quiet retreat, a must for a journalist constantly in the spotlight. Melber's apartment is in a high-end, eco-friendly building designed by the renowned Cook Fox architectural firm. Spanning 1,000 square feet, it features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 10-foot ceilings, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, while the premium white oak flooring adds a touch of timeless sophistication. The kitchen is a masterpiece, with custom lacquer cabinetry, marble countertops, and high-end Miele appliances, perfect for a man who values both style and functionality. Beyond his apartment, the building offers top-tier amenities, including a 24/7 concierge, a fitness center, a private library, and a stunning rooftop terrace overlooking the Brooklyn skyline. His home reflects his career, polished, refined, and deeply connected to culture and intellect. Ari Melber's taste in cars perfectly mirrors his personality, a blend of durability, elegance, and practicality. Unlike many celebrities who go for flashy sports cars, Melber's car collection tells a story about his values and lifestyle. He owns 3 distinct vehicles, each representing a different aspect of his character. First, he has a Chevrolet S10, a classic American pickup truck known for its strength and reliability. This choice reflects Melber's work ethic and appreciation for practicality. A truck built for endurance, much like his career. Next, there's the Mercedes-Benz 560 SL, a vintage convertible from 1985, symbolizing timeless sophistication and class. With a powerful V8 engine and flawless maintenance, this car represents Melber's attention to detail and love for things built to last. Just like his approach to journalism, Ari Melber's impact goes far beyond journalism. He's a dedicated philanthropist who actively supports causes related to justice, education, and press freedom. Unlike many public figures who simply donate money, Melber takes a hands-on approach, using both his resources and influence to create real change. One of his biggest contributions is to the New York Legal Assistance Group, where he donated $100,000 to provide free legal services to low-income individuals. Understanding how crucial legal representation is, he has also participated in fundraising events and pro bono consultations, ensuring that everyone, regardless of wealth, has access to justice. Beyond the courtroom, Melber is passionate about music education. In 2024, he spearheaded a charity concert, raising an impressive $250,000 for Music for Children, a nonprofit that provides instruments and training to underprivileged students. His belief in the power of music isn't just personal, it's a mission to inspire the next generation. Despite his fame, Ari Melber keeps his personal life private. While he's known for his sharp legal analysis and cultural commentary, he rarely discusses his relationships in public. However, one chapter of his personal life did make headlines: his marriage to journalist Drew Grant. Melber and Drew Grant, a pop culture reporter for the New York Observer, tied the knot in 2014. Their relationship was built on a shared passion for media, storytelling, and current events. At the time, Melber was rising as a political analyst, while Grant was making a name for herself in entertainment journalism. Together, they seemed like a power couple in the media world. However, their marriage was short-lived, and in 2017, they quietly divorced. Neither of them publicly spoke about the reasons, preferring to keep their personal lives separate from their careers. Ari Melber isn't just reporting the news, he's shaping it. From his elite legal expertise to his pop culture relevance, he's built a brand that merges intellect with influence. As his career continues to thrive, one thing is clear: his story is far from over.